Good morning, my dear students. So, our today's topic is pharmaceutical management. So, first of all, what do you mean by management? So, this management word denotes the process of conducting and managing all the business activities. There are different kinds of activities which we are going to perform in any business. So, management is a process of conducting and managing all the different kinds of activities. So, here is a definition of a management. So, management is defined as it is an art of securing maximum result with a minimum efforts. We are going to take the minimum efforts, and what we get the maximum results. So it is defined as it is an art of securing maximum result with a minimum efforts. And when the principle and the practices of that management are applied to pharmaceutical industry and drugstore, it is known as pharmaceutical management. What? When the principle and the practices of that management are applied to the pharmaceutical industry and any drugstore, it is known as pharmaceutical management. So next is there are three different levels of management. So what are that? First is a top level management, second is a middle level management, and third is a lower level management. So here is a pyramid diagram of these different levels of management. So first is a top level management, second is a middle level, and third is a lower level. So we are going to study it one by one. So first is a top level management. So this top level management, it consists of board of directors and chief executives. So here is a description of this top level management. So this top level management, it consists of board of directors and managing director. And this top level management is the ultimate source of authority which frames the different types of policies for an enterprise. Means काय करतं, this top level management has a authority, means has a power to frame the different kinds of policies which are required for an enterprise. टॉप लेवल मॅनेजमेंटला ऑथॉरिटी असते, पॉवर असते की कंप्लीट बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशनसाठी ज्या काही पॉलिसीज लागतात त्या पॉलिसीज ज्या त्या कोण तयार करतं, दिस टॉप लेवल management. So next there are different kinds of function which are performed by top level management. So first function is it laying down the objective and board policies of enterprises. Laid down means they prepare, this top level management prepare the objective and board policies of these business enterprises. Second is a organizing the business into different departments and the division. First काम काय करतं, this top level management, it laying down the objective and the policies of an enterprises. Then second work is it organizes the business into the different departments and different divisions. Then third is they appointing the department managers. Then fourth step is issuing the guidelines for the head of department. Then after that they coordinating the work of an different departments. And last function is they reviewing the work of the different departments and taking the steps to ensure the achievement of the objective. What are first top level management? It consists of board of directors and managing directors. Second is they frame the policies of an enterprises. And next is there are different functions which are performed by an top level management. First they laying down the policies for an enterprise. Second is they organizing the business into different departments and division. Next is they appointing the different managers, department managers, then issuing the guidelines. Then after that they coordinating the work into different departments. And fourth is reviewing the work. So second is middle level management. So this middle level management, it consists of departmental heads and branch managers. So this middle level management, it consists of the head of departments. So in the small enterprises there is one layer of middle management, but in big enterprises there is a senior level management, a senior middle level management and junior middle level management. काय सांगितलं की मिडल लेवल मॅनेजमेंट इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट्स. आणि काय असते की स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेसमध्ये फक्त वन लेअर ऑफ मिडल मॅनेजमेंट असते. बट इन बिग एंटरप्राइजेस देर आर two levels of middle level management. First is a senior middle level management and second is a junior middle level management. So after that, third is a lower level management. So this lower level management, it consists of supervisors, superintendents and sales or the section officers. So this lower level management, is also called as supervisory management. So as a name suggests, supervisory means supervisor. So this lower level management control the performance of an operative employees. There are different number of employees which are working in any business or any organization. So this lower level management, what they do, they supervises the different performance of all that employees. So it includes supervisors, superintendents, sales and accountant officer. So what the supervisors, superintendents and these officers do, they issue the orders and instruction and guide day-to-day activities. What they do, they first issue the orders and then instruction and they guide day-to-day activities. So also there are different functions which are performed by lower level management. So what are that? The first is planning of day-to-day work. What they do, they first plan the day-to-day work. Then second is assignment of an job, then issuing the orders and instruction. Then third step is they supervising and guiding their workers. There are number of workers which are working in any organization. So this lower level management supervises that employees and guide that workers. Then next is मेंटेनिंग द क्लोज पर्सनल कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ द वर्कर्स. जे काय आपल्या वर्कर्स कंपनीमध्ये काम करतात लोक, त्यांच्यामध्ये जो काही क्लोज पर्सनल कॉन्टॅक्ट जो आहे तो मेंटेन ठेवतात ते लोअर लेवल मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये सुपरवायझर जे असतात ते. देन फिफ्थ इज इव्हॅल्युएटिंग द ऑपरेटिंग परफॉर्मन्स. and last is they represent the complaint and the suggestion of the workers to the higher authorities. सो जे काही वर्कर्स तिथे वर्क करतात एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर कंपनीमध्ये, त्यांच्या ज्या काही कंप्लेंट असतील किंवा त्यांच्याकडून जे काही सजेशन आलेले असतील ते सजेशन, वर्करचे सजेशन जे आहेत ते हायर ऑथॉरिटीजपर्यंत न्यायचे काम कोण करतं, तर दिस सुपरवायझर्स ऑर द सुपरिटेंडंट्स. So I hope you all understand this top level management, middle level management and this lower level management. So next is importance of management. So there are number of importance of the management. So first is it helps in optimum utilization of all types of the resources to achieve the best results. What first importance it helps in maximum utilization of all the different types of resources to achieve the best result. Then second is it increases the proficiency in handling the business. आता ऑब्व्हियसली आहे की आपण आपल्या जर बिझनेसचं प्रॉपरली मॅनेजमेंट केलं तर ऑब्व्हियसली काय होईल की आपली प्रोफिशियन्सी जी आहे आपल्या बिझनेसची ती काय होते, हँडल करायची इन्क्रीज होते. सो नेक्स्ट इज थर्ड इज इट रिड्युसेस द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन अँड इन्क्रीजेस द आउटपुट. आपण प्रॉपरली जर मॅनेजमेंट केलं तर काय होतं की इट रिड्युसेस द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन अँड इन्क्रीजेस द आउटपुट. Then next is it helps to utilize the services of a talented person to achieve the planned target in organization. What management do? What is the importance of management? It helps to achieve the planned target in an ऑर्गनायझेशन. आपण एखादा पर्टिक्युलर प्रत्येक कंपनीचं किंवा प्रत्येक ऑर्गनायझेशनचं एक पर्टिक्युलर काहीतरी टार्गेट असतं. सो दिस आपण जर त्याच्यात मॅनेजमेंट केलं प्रॉपर तर आपण काय होतं की आपण इझिली जे आपलं टार्गेट जे आहे ते अचीव करू शकतो. So next is it make the stable and progressive growth of an organization. And last is it helps to design the new product to give the maximum satisfaction to the कस्टमर. आपण प्रॉपरली मॅनेजमेंट केलं तर आपण काय करतो की न्यू प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपर फॉर्म करू शकतो मॅक्झिमम, आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय तर आपल्या कस्टमरचं जे काही सॅटिस्फॅक्शन जे आहे ते आपण प्रॉपरली आणि मॅक्झिमम करू शकतो. अँड लास्ट इज इट हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन द डिसिप्लिन बिकॉज ऑफ प्रॉपर सुपरविजन ॲट ऑल द लेवल्स इन अन ऑर्गनायझेशन. आता आपण जी स्पेशल जी लोअर लेवल मॅनेजमेंट जे आहेत ते काय करतात, व्हॉट आर दे डू, that supervises the work of their employees or the workers which work in their organization. So because of that, it helps to maintain the discipline because of the proper supervision at all the levels of an organization.